Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fred tutorial. My name is Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to rotate an optical source and save an irradiance profile for each rotation using Fred's embedded script. So to access the script, what we're going to do is open the embedded scripts folder and double click on embedded scripts. I'll just give a quick rundown of what this script is doing. So what we're doing is we're defining our optical source, which is being rotated, and then we're also defining our analysis surface, which is going to be saving the irradiance profiles. After we've done that, we're defining our starting and end angles as well as the number of steps. So here I'm going from negative 40 degrees to 40 degrees over the course of 10 steps. After we've done that, what we're doing is we're using the irradiance to iron function. So what this is doing is it's taking the irradiance functions and sending them and saving them to our analysis result folder. So to run the script, what we're going to do is come up to the top left, select run. And what this is doing is it's rotating, and as it's rotating, it's saving an analysis result. So here we'll take a look at one here, which seems to be in the middle, and we'll just take a look at another one at the end, just to see that this was the irradiance for our final rotation. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to help support all Fred users, and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.